Okay, so this is gonna be like this, and then the main tube on the top of that. Then there is one aluminum over here. There is one aluminum cap, the aluminum cap on the top, and then the bottom tube. Okay, now we'll have to, I'm just going to tighten this top bolt. Again, I'm going to use this axle as a tool since it's already started rotating, so I have to. So this is how we have installed the fork, and now time to install the dust seal. The dust seal, installation of the dust seal is very easy because from the top side just press it and then you are done with the dust seal fitting. Now we will be installing the spring and the washer and the distance piece, but before that I will be pouring fork oil in the fork oil. Now remove the air. A normal tightening what you have to do.